Listen up.
I am the one, don't waste your time, don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Holy shit. Welcome to the Grom Adventures.
Conscious.
Wow, I got this thing like damn near pinned. I'm only going like 60. Let me on my fat ass. What's going on YouTube? Mr. Dank Wheelie here. And today I'm riding around doing some errands on a fucking Honda Grom. And it's loud as shit. This is my friend Kate's Honda Grom. She was nice enough to let me ride it around. Because I'm kind of in the market to buy one. But her lever got broken. I won't talk about how. So I'm going to go and pimp this little Grom out a little bit and give it some much needed maintenance. Have it back in tip-top shape before I return it back to her. Because I kind of fucked it up myself a little bit. It's the least I can do. I got an idea though. I'm going to put like a bicycle peg right here because the rear set broke right there. So I'll put the bicycle peg right here and it should be working for me. I mean, this thing's got like a full crash cage and sub cage, and it still managed to break some shit. I won't talk about the make of the cage, but and Jesus, this thing's so bulky and huge, you'd think it would save a rear set if you drop it. Nope. It's definitely a change of pace riding the Grom around though. It's pretty cool. I want to hit some smaller roads though, to be honest. I don't know if everyone has ever ran from the police on a Grom, but props to you, because this shit is slow as balls. Getting passed by a truck and trailer. Can't do shit about it. A big ass truck. The wheels the size of this Grom. So who thinks I should get a fucking Grom? They're pretty sweet. I'd have to pimp it out to my standards though. Flexing on this scooter. I got a shoey on now. Shoey on the scooter. Going big. Alright, we just left the DMV. I got my truck registered. And now I'm gonna ride a Grom in a fucking storm. Holy fuck, you get water up in your ass. Look at that. God fucking mobbing in this rain. Grom mob. Scoot, scoot. Killer cam status, bitch. Whoa, shit! Holy fuck! This thing does not want to slow down. Holy fuck, this tire sucks. That was bad. I'll actually leave that part in. Shit happens. Oh. So, there goes my point. The Grom tires suck in the rain. I didn't slide into his car. I almost did, but I didn't. That's all that matters. Holy shit! Shoes are fucking soaked. Legs are soaked. I'm soaked. Alright guys, we used a fucking cutter and fixed this little clutch lever. Now we're good to go. It's a little easy pull clutch, 1 finger action, or you could do 2, don't matter. Thanks for letting me use your cutter. I want my cutter back. You got to cut it or trim it because it was bent. Oh yeah, show you guys an idea of what we cut off now that I see it. it was bent like that, and just cut it, and I like smoothed it down a little bit. Looks good. I'll keep this. Okay. Sentimental. It's got some balls. Tropicana Field, everybody. This is where the Tampa Bay Rays like to play. This is like one of the only landmarks I actually show them on videos. Oh, just in time. Where you going, pal? We're riding together, remember? I'm trying to catch him. It ain't working. You just point at the scooter guy like, what's up? It's Danny Scooter right here. That's where you dominate with this kind of bike, in the scooter class. You are the fucking legend. I'm just exploring around town, trying to get shit fixed on this little Grom here. That's today's adventure. Fixing shit we broke at the lot. Oh, fucking puddle.
Did you buy a Grom?
No, this is Pimp My Grom Day.
Really?
Yep. So the goal is to take this off and then put a bicycle peg on and then screw it back over. And it should work. We shall see. I'm on this Grom right here. We've been spending all day today getting it all fixed up and did some good pimping. Is that a bee just chilling? He's trying to get off there. I'm meeting up with Mr. MotoMiyagi. He's a fellow motovlogger that is local in St. Petersburg. So we're going to go ahead and make some videos together and have a swell old Grom time. And that's what he's riding. Another fucking Grom. We got another one. I guess we could be St.Pete Grom squad. Getting closer to the pier. There he is. What's happening, dude? What's that?
Not much. That shit sounds nice.
Yeah, it's loud. We should do like a little photo shoot or something real quick.
Sure.
Get that Grom game going. So you think we can sneak up over there?
Yeah.
Let's do it. No trespassing. Ooh. Parking enforcement. Dun dun dun. Cover your ears, ladies. You need any gas?
I'm good. I got Wawa.
Alright. Oh, this shit just comes right out. Oh, oh, oh. Damn! So yeah, we're gonna go take these little Grommers to the stunt lot with my buddy Sam and do some wheelies and chill out. Do a little ender to my Grom adventure. You got the cutest little squeal. is so funny every time? Okay. How's it going, guys? Alright, it was good riding with you. Mr. MotoMiyagi, everybody. I'm gonna be doing more ride outs with him. He's actually a local moto vlogger in my city. So go check his channel out. We'll be doing some more shenanigans. Hopefully on Groms again. I got a lot better at the Grom wheelies tonight.